This is a step-by-step on how to get the new way of using math usage on the iReady instruction reports. Remember, to access the instructional reports, you need to go to Reports, then go to Instruction on the left, and then you select the Personalized Instruction Summary. For this report, let's pick Math. Now, this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be looking at each grade level and adding these two green bar graphs to get the instructionalized report usage for that week in math or in reading. So we're going to select a campus. For this, I'm going to just be using Arnold Elementary. You select the grade levels. When you do that, remember to uncheck all grades. You can either click 1 through 5th. I find it easy to click all K through 5 and uncheck Kinder. That will still do multi of using all 1st through 5th. We're using current week right now. If you're doing this on Monday, you will have to go back and select last week. But if you're doing it on Friday in the evening, use the current week. For this, I'm going to use last week. So this is the personalized instruction summary usage for last week for this campus. Overall, you will need to go here and add both of the green bars to be able to put it in the iReady math usage here at the bottom in the red area. So that will be 18 plus 45. Now, when you do this, you will note that it's 63% of students were the ones that achieved 30 or more minutes. And why is that 30 or more minutes? Is because we're using the bar of 30 to 49 minutes and the 50 and plus. Adding them together will tell us the percentage of students that actually achieve 30 or more minutes. Now, like I said, this is the overall for the campus for last week. And to get the math usage now per grade level, remember that we have to only do 1st through 5th because those are the grade levels that we use iReady for instruction. So one way to do it is also add these two columns. It will be the one that says green from 30 and adding the one for 50. So for first grade is 5 plus 83, and then you will put it here together on first grade for math usage. 5 and 83 is 88%, and you'll put it here. 17 and 53, that will be 70%. 70% of the students in second grade last week got the 30 or plus usage. And you will continue on with third, 4th, and 5th. Now, if it's easier for you to see it here and see it in the green type of graphs to add them up together, just click individually to the grade level. You will see now they're the classrooms. So these bars represent the 88%, like we said before, for first grade for last week for this campus. If you want to go back and do it the same for second grade, just press the back button on your browser. You'll get back to where all the grade levels are. You select the next grade level and just add the two green bar numbers, 17 and 53. That is also 70, just like we said before. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our department. Myself, Valentin, Debbie, or Zenaida are here to support you. And have a great rest of your week.